here to this temple. Nico doesn't even want to go in. Oh, brat. Do not visit in a state of mortality. Oh, if you're dying, I suppose. Do not carry magical charm. What does that mean? Oh, I just realized I look a bit silly with a baseball cap on in a temple. Take that off. So this temple is in a cave, so that'll be nice given how hot it is out here. I don't know how many steps I have to go up though. And also, I don't like filming in temples, so I don't know how much I can show you. Is massive, like massive. I have no idea if I'm going the right way right now. I'm so confused. I don't even know what just happened. I have no idea if I'm going the right way. I have no idea where I am. I just took part in what I think was a puja, and he blessed me. The priest, in front of a bunch of people, totally put me on the spot. I didn't know if I was allowed to participate or not. The lady in front of me had a spiritual experience, which I've seen before. Now I have no idea where I'm going. I tried to call Nicole, he's not answering. But they pointed me to the exit. They said, go that way. So I'm just hoping for the best now. I'm walking towards what looks like some pretty hectic clouds. Because look, sunshine, white clouds, dark blue. Well, you know all those people that went in before us?
Yeah.
They weren't even in the main cave. They were at the top before you even enter the cave doing some sort of a ceremony.
What day is it today? Is it a special day?
I don't know.
Must be.
But they follow a different calendar here. Jesus Christ, on a motorbike. Oh my God. Stay away from the edges. The yellow pepper going the right way. Like this the whole way back to the frickin'. We've got a long way to go on this road. You're a champion, babe. They're probably like, oh, are they saying stop? No, they're saying hello. Hello. Hi. I don't know. It's beautiful up here. Really sure if this bike is made for off-roading, but that was absolutely what he's doing. I don't know, I'll have to look.
Wow, what are they doing here? Look at these tree lights.
Wow.
Holy mackerel, that's a holy tree.
I don't think it should sound like that, babe.
The bike?
Yeah.
Fine.
You gotta whack. Why is it got no leaves on it? Is it dying?
That's a big tree, man. It's erupted for a reason.
So it looks like we got a pretty good paved road for the rest of the way. I took the helmet because Nico's sweating balls. Maybe I should have had it the whole time anyway, given I'm the one who's gonna fall off the back. But anyway, I think we're good now.
What did you think for that much? Oh, I'm just pulling my nose.